Here's a fun take on a classic pastrami sandwich using easy-to-find ground veal. I'm going to show you how to make a hot pastrami burger with smoked Gouda, also known as Gouda, and sauerkraut on a marble rye bun. We'll start by making our veal burgers. Place the breadcrumbs, milk, and salt in a bowl and allow that to soak until the breadcrumbs are soft. Mix the ground veal into the breadcrumb mixture and form 6 burger patties. You can buy a pre-made pastrami spice mixture or check the recipe link here for my own spice blend. Coat each side of the burger patties with the spice mixture. Heat a grill on medium-high heat and grill the burgers. Add a slice or 2 of smoked Gouda to each burger and heat thoroughly until nice and melted. Now we'll assemble our burgers. Spread the bottom of the marbled rye bun with mayonnaise and top it with whole grain mustard. Place the burger on the bottom and top it with sauerkraut. Your guests will love the classic flavors of a pastrami sandwich in this tasty burger.